What's up? What's up? YouTube, we back with another video. It's Motor Jump Off TV. And today we're going to be installing the B58 Conversion Kit for the N54, the coil packs. We got the red tops. That's the color I went with. Comes with the spark plugs, the connectors, and the plate to hold all that together, man. Look at that. Vargas come with some good quality, as you can see. And today we're gonna be installing this bad boy right here. This is the old setup I have for ignition coils. We're gonna be taking this out and installing these bad boys. They look so clean. All right, we got the finished product. B58 Coil Pack Kit for the N54 by Vargas. Yeah, go check them out, man. Good quality stuff. Plug and play kit, man. Not much to it. That red really shoots off now.